how to create Telegram bot using Botfather. So if you want to create Telegram bot using Botfather, then first you need to open up your Telegram application. Once you open up your Telegram, now you just need to simply go with the search, which is on the upper right. And on the search, you need to search for Botfather. Once you search here, you will have your Botfather. You need to tap on it, and then you need to type in start, which is /start, and you'll get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with menu, which is on the bottom left, and tap on create a new bot. And it's saying that how are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. And it says you need to use a username right now. So for example, I'll be choosing a username which is demo07 bot and hit the enter. And if it says that this username is already taken, then make sure to go with a new username or a unique username. So once you're done with the username, then it says done. Congratulations on your new bot. You will find it at t.me/your bot name. Now you can add a description about the section and profile picture for your bot. And now you need to again go with the menu option, which is on the bottom left, and tap on edit your bots. And here you will have all of your bots that you've created. So in my case, I only have one bot. So tap on the bot and you will have this kind of interface. So you just need to simply tap and hold on to the username and then tap on copy username. And once you've copied, now you just need to simply go back and go with a Telegram channel or a group. So for example, I'll be choosing this one. You need to go with the upper side, which has members, and then tap on add members and enter the bot, and then tap on the bot, go with the tick, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on add, and the bot has been added. So that's it. That's how you can create a Telegram bot using Botfather. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.